not the best, but a temporary solution. So take the shape, copy it, rotate it once more, and scale it using Control. Now we'll take some points here and we'll use the extrude function and we'll scale it, again holding Control down. Using the knife tool, we got the right topology. We'll merge the result. Got some errors here, so merge again with a higher value. And what we need to do now is we need to select the edges. Take some time, but select manually and loop whenever you can. And use the chamfer tool. Need to do a bit of a manual cleanup, but looks pretty good. Now take more edges here for these circles and use chamfer once again. And do some manual tweaking. And that's it.